Other than the fact that the new all-electric F-150 has an actual frunk, which is amazing, here's what you need to know about the Ford F-150 Lightning. The standard range makes 426 horsepower and 775 pound-feet of torque. Total range comes in at 230 miles on a full charge, and you have a towing capacity of 7,000 pounds. The extended range makes 563 horsepower with the same amount of torque, and it will run 0 to 60 in the mid 4 seconds. The extended range will do 300 miles on a full charge, and you have a towing capacity of 10,000 pounds. Pricing for the F-150 Lightning starts around $40,000 before tax credits, and I still can't get over the fact that it has a frunk.